This is a tour of the elevators in Manchester Grand Hyatt in downtown San Diego. I am first starting off in the Seaport Tower. Here are the low-rise elevators. These are Otis Luxury. Nice chime. 24. Oh, we can only go as far as 4-4. These are Otis Luxury elevators. These go 700 feet per minute, I think. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. These elevators go all floors 1 to 24. Lobby. Let's get our cab view. Very nice elevator cab. Here at the lobby. And now to the high-rise elevators. These elevators go now to the high-rise elevators. Guess the chime has been replaced. 33. Oh, 32 works. Here we go. Whoa. These things are fast. Oh my god, these are fast. We're in the express zone. Halfway up the express zone. Whoa. These go 1,200 feet per minute, I think. We're at 32. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. Cab view. This time will Tibetan go out. Same cab as the low-rise elevators. These things are fast. Wow. My ears are popping. Whoa. Here's the lobby. That would be it.